Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix you submitted an appeal on Facebook. Okay, let's see how to fix it. First, open any browser like a Google Chrome browser. Now click on search box and search Facebook Help Center. Now click on First Site Help Center. Now click on Get Help. Now scroll down and find Fix a Login Problem. Click on Fix a Login Problem. Now again click on search box and search you submitted an appeal. Now click on first website. Now scroll down and find no option. Click on no, then click on others. Now type here your problem. See my description. Now click on submit and wait 24 hours. Hope your problem solve it. Thank you.